RB a relation over the set n cross n, and it is defined by order pair AB is related to CD in this way, or if and only if A plus B is equal to B plus C, then R is reflexive only, symmetric only, transitive only, and an equivalence relation. R is a relation defined on Cartesian product of natural numbers. So if we choose two elements in an order pair, suppose AB, then we will say AB is related to another element, suppose CD. This is again an order pair. If and only if it is satisfying A plus D equal to B plus C, means relation is defined like this. So we need to check reflexive, symmetric, transitive, and an equivalence relation. But because of only word is added in first three options, in option A, reflexive only, symmetric only, transitive only, if one option is true, then other will be false, because of only word is saying no other option will be true. So be careful in this word. So need to check reflexive. So consider an element which is coming from n cross n. So we will say relation is reflexive it if it is related to itself, and it will related to itself whenever A plus B means first and last element, sum of first and last element is equal to sum of second and one. A plus B is equal to B plus A, and we know that by the property of commutative property of natural numbers we can say this is true. So relation is reflexive, but it is given in option A reflexive only. So need to check another option, symmetric relation or symmetricity. We will say relation is symmetric if an element is related to another element, and its inverse also, not inverse, in reverse order also, means if AB is related to CD, then CD must be related to AB. If it happens, then we will say relation is symmetric. So if AB is related to CD, it means that sum of first and last means A plus D is equal to B plus C, and I can write C plus B is equal to D plus E by the property of commutative. C plus B is equal to D plus A, so I can write C comma D is related to B comma A. B comma A, or I can write AB. So this property is satisfied. So I can say relation is symmetric, but reflexive only and symmetric only. So both options, because of only word, both options becomes wrong. Now need to check transitive. If it relation comes transitive, then option C will discard and last one option remain be true. So for transitive, we need to consider three elements in order pair AB, CD, and EF. So if AB is related to CD and C comma D is related to E comma F, then we need to check A comma B must be related to E comma F, order pair EF. So if AB is related to CD, it means that A plus D is equal to B plus C, and using this C plus F is equal to D plus E, then this is an equation, this is equation 1 or this is equation 2. So add these two equations, we have A plus D plus C plus F is equal to B plus C plus D plus E. D plus C is cancelled out by D plus C, left hand side from right hand side. So left term is in left hand side, A plus F is equal to B plus E, and other terms cancel out as C plus D. So I can write A comma B is related to E comma F. This implies that relation is transitive and relation is satisfying all three properties as reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So I can say relation is equivalence relation.